Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharati Samskrita YouTube channel, where we are now studying the Ruchira 6th standard CBSE NCERT textbook, Sanskrit textbook. In that, we now start looking at the third chapter, Tritiyaha Pathaha, continuing the Shabda Parichayah, which we started in the first and second lessons. So we now look at the third part of the Shabda Parichayah portion, Introduction to Words, part 3, along with an explanation in English. This chapter is about neuter words, Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. So here also there are 6 paragraphs, and we see the 3 vachanas, that is the Ekavachanam, the Dvivachanam and the Bahuvachanam in 2 paragraphs each. So we will start with the first paragraph with the Ekavachanam singular. Etat kim, what is this? Etat khanitram asti. This is a digging axe. Shramika khanitram chalayati. Female worker moves or uses the axe. Etat kim, etat khanitram asti. Shramika khanitram chalayati. We go further. This is also about Ekavachanam only. Tat kim, in the last slide it was etat, that is this. In this slide it is tat, which is that. So the question is, tat kim means what is that? Tat vishramagraham asti, that is a rest house. Kim atra bhittikam asti, is there a fence or a wall here? Atra is here. Is there a fence or a wall here? Atra bhittikam na asti, there is no fence or wall here. Atra bhittikam na asti. We go further. This is about dvivachanam, dual number. Ete ke, what are these two? Ete anguliyake staha, these two are 2 rings. You see 2 rings on the table of this goldsmith. Ete anguliyake staha, these two are 2 rings. Suvarnakaraha anguliyake rachayati, the goldsmith makes 2 rings. The next slide is also about dvivachanam. Teke, what are those 2? If you remember, in the last slide we saw ete. So what are these 2? We saw ete ke. Now in the next slide they are teke. So what are those 2? Te basayane staha, those 2 are buses. Te basayane kutra gacchataha, where do those 2 buses go to? Te relasthanakam gacchataha, those 2 go to the railway station. Teke, te basayane staha, te basayane kutra gacchataha, te relasthanakam gacchataha. We go further to bahuvachanam. Etani kani, what are these? What are all of these? Etani karavastrani santi, these are handkerchiefs. It's in plural because there are 4 handkerchiefs here. Karavastrani is a plural word. Kim etani puranani, are these old? Na etani tu nutanani, these are indeed new. Tu means indeed, they are indeed new. Etani kani, etani karavastrani santi. Kim etani puranani? Na etani tu nutanani, they are indeed new. We go further. This is also about bahuvachanam because there are many plantains in this bunch of plantains. Tani kani, what are they? तानि कदलीफलानि सन्ति. They are plantains. तानि किं तानि मधुराणि मधुराणि किं तानि मधुराणि. Are they sweet? Madhura means sweet. Madhurani means are they all sweet? Yes. Tani madhurani poshakani cha. They are sweet and nourishing also. Madhurani is sweet. Poshakani means nourishing. Bahuvachanam. This is many plantains are seen in this bunch of plantains. Tani kani tani kadali phalani santi. Kim tani madhurani. Tani madhurani poshakani cha. We go further. What are the new words which we learnt in this particular chapter? Etat, ete, etani. Etat is this. Ete is these two. Etani is all of these. Tat, te, tani. Tat is that. Te is those two. Tani is all of those. Etat, ete, etani. Tat, te, tani. Kim is what? Khanitram is digging axe. Shramika is a lady worker. Chalayati is moves or uses. Vishramagraham is a rest house or a guest house. Bhittikam is a wall or a fence. Atra is here. Anguliyake is two rings. Suvarnakaraha is a goldsmith. Rachayati is makes. Basayane is two buses. Kutra is where or where to. Relasthanakam is to the railway station. Karavastrani many handkerchiefs. Puranani old. Nutanani new. Kadali phalani plantains. Mudhurani sweet. Poshakani nourishing. Tu is indeed or really. We go further. These words we had already got introduced to, but I want to tell them again. Asti staha santi. Asti is, exists in singular. Staha is are, exist in dual. Santi is are, exist in plural. Asti staha santi. You can download printable version of these slides at the link given in the description below and store them in your computer and use them for a later use. This brings me to the end of this particular video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video with the exercises part of this third lesson, Tritiyaha Pathaha, Shabda Parichayah, the third part. So YouTube, Amara Bharati Samskrita, Shubham Bhuyat, Mangalamastu, Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.